Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmo AF unbagging and review video. Today we have a special guest. It's my grandson, Brysen. Say hi.
Hi.
Way to go. All right, welcome back everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I know it's been a little while. It's been very difficult for me to get any videos made. I've been very sick, been going to the hospital quite a bit lately, but I'm doing okay. Anyway, we want to go ahead and start checking these guys out. I'm not too impressed with what they got this year for Series 23, but there are a few of them that I like, and I think it's time we open up the first bag. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as always, the best place to do, even though it has the scissors there, we're going to open it from the bottom because it opens up just like that. We're going to spill out all the parts.
These are the boys.
These are the boys. And it looks like we have the chimney sweep.
The chimney.
Yeah.
Is there only one people in here?
Yeah, there's only one person in each bag. So the chimney sweep, he actually cleans your chimney. And that's what his job is.
Cleans your food up.
Well,
And next time, you'll see my big walker with my different video.
yeah.
And it's very good.
Yeah, so Brysen has gotten into Legos lately. And for his birthday yesterday...
And next time, if you get something to your birthday, next time you call your big one.
No. So yesterday, he's been wanting one of those AT-AT walkers from Star Wars, and he got an AT-AT walker finally from his dad's parents. And that's what they got him.
I only got a big walker today, but it takes for 60 seconds. And you have to build it forever and you put people in it. It takes 49.
Oh my goodness.
That's a lot though.
Yeah, it is a lot. It sounds like a lot. But we just went to the Playmobil store.
Yeah, and got some Playmobil.
Yeah, because we didn't get him Playmobil this year. We got him.
got some pirates downstairs Playmobil too.
Yeah. And we went out and got him some Playmobil today because I like going to this Playmobil store. We're back in Virginia, by the way. Not to live again, but to visit.
But Gigi and Poppy, they live in Florida.
Yeah, we live in Florida now. So here's the chimney sweep. He's got a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know what to do with it just yet. So we're going to set these aside. And we're going to put Mr. Chimney Sweep over here in the background. And we're going to move on to the next. Brysen, you want a boy or a girl this time?
Girl.
A girl. Okay. So, we got a few here. We even have a bunny. And a princess and a dwarf. Let's see. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open this one. Hey, buddy. Look what we got.
We got a bunny rabbit.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
And I got Legos.
Moving on. Another boy, you said? Okay. We didn't do the field test. I didn't grow up these in any way. So I expect at least one double. Looks like we got the scientist.
And my puppy wasn't here. And I went to the Lego store, but it was closed today. And so I went to the Playmobil store.
Okay, so we have the scientist.
Yep.
He could be maybe a teacher. Whoops. Like a science teacher. I'm not sure. I actually like this figure. I'm putting him together like I've never put Playmobil together before. So here's our scientist. He's got a purple shirt on, some gray pants. We're going to put him in the background now. You want a boy or girl next?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's the fourth one. We got, is it a princess? I think we got a princess. It looks like a princess. With a jewel. And she's got gold hair. Look at this. Here's her hair.
I think it's a cowgirl.
No, this isn't a cowgirl. There's no cowgirl in here. And here's her jewel. Her jewel gets attached to this little spot right there, which we'll do that later. And we got another. We got a skeleton cowboy. This one's pretty awesome, I think. Whoa. Okay. He is really cool. We'll just set him aside for now. Alright, last girl. Here we go. Did we get another bunny? Nope. We got a dentist. What does the dentist do? Do you know what the dentist does, Brysen?
Oh, he checks up people's heart.
No. You're close, but you're not close.
He brushes your teeth.
Yes.
You brush them through the toothbrush.
Yeah, they fix your teeth when they need fixing, and they clean your teeth.
Or if something happens with your teeth, yes. Brush your teeth all the time.
Yep.
Yes.
So she's really cool too.
I'm coming. I got you now.
So yeah. So there is all the girls. And here, can you set them all up?
Yeah.
So they're all standing.
Sure.
Okay, we're down to the last two.
Next time, once you see us, you're going to see this guy. You go to our house.
I hope we get the football player.
Wow.
Ooh, wait a minute. We got somebody with some fire.
It's the fire guy. Who we saw at the Playmobil store.
He's a knight. And he's pretty awesome looking. Check this guy out. Let's see here.
Oh,
There you go.
these two guys are in a fight.
Hey, I didn't get to show everybody the guy. Here, let me show him real quick. So here he is. He's got a really cool helmet. Last one.
I think he's only this guy.
The football player?
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see.
I don't know that guy is fighting.
He's not. He is the Viking.
What is that thing?
The Viking is an explorer. Whoops. I don't think we got all the pieces out. We got two heads. Cool.
It's another knight.
But look at how many pieces came with this guy. We got quite a bit here. So we got a Viking.
That can jump off people.
Yes. So here's our Viking. He's the last figure that we need to open today. And he is really nice. And I like the fact that he doesn't have long hair like all the other Vikings do. This is, I think, my first short. And here are our newest set of clickies to go into our collection. A big thank you to my grandson Brysen for joining us today. Looks like he had fun despite his attention wandering off in other directions a bit, but that's what I expect from someone so young, so it's okay. What matters most is that we were able to spend time together. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button for more Playmobil content. Also be sure to check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af, where it's all Playmobil all the time. We've got more on the way, guys, but until then, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you right here on Playmo AF. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Who's she talking to?